Hi there! We have some exciting news. Your facility is going to be switching its medical waste services to Daniels Health, the leading provider in the U.S. of clinically engineered safety containers. What does this mean for you? Sharps and medical waste disposal is going to be easier and safer than ever. Daniels' safety container range comes in various sizes and are color-coded by waste stream, so the containers in your specific facility or department may vary depending on your disposal needs. Along with the new waste containers, you will receive updated education and scannable QR decals, so you can learn more about correct segregation and proper use. With the Daniels system, the containers are placed directly onto the wall mount or other floor mount accessory, allowing hospital staff to easily exchange containers where required. What is the process for disposing of sharps into the new containers? All you need to do is place your sharp onto the safety tray, and the tray will automatically dispose of it into the container. Daniels containers were designed with your safety in mind, so the safety tray will prevent your hand from being anywhere near previously used sharps. The container can continue to be filled until the contents reach the fill line, which is located on the front of the container. Once the container is full, you can close the lid by pressing the pressure points on either side of the lid. Then slide the front lock to secure its contents. The red tabs on the sides of the container can be pressed to activate the permanent locks. Please do not activate these before the container is full, as it will permanently lock the container. These locks are only to be engaged by facility EVS or Daniels staff. And just like that, you're a pro! We are excited for you to start using Daniels container systems and experience medical waste safety in a brand new way.